Okay, first project of the day. I got quite a few I want to try to get done. I'm going to try to make something where this pipe is going to be shoved in the ground, or either or pipe. Then it's going to swivel, it's going to turn. Then we're going to mount this one and put it over there. Try to. I ain't saying it's going to work. We got to find a pipe that's going to fit in between that or over that, or either one. I don't even know if I got anything. I actually got, this is PVC. It's probably the exact same size now, mother. Yep. Well, we got two different size pipes we can use right now. We just need something to shove in the pipe, or I need something to make something swivel. It's always good to have scrap laying around. Alright, let me pause. I'll pause you guys and see what we can find. Okay, I'm going to scratch that idea. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I was going to do that, but it's not going to work out too great. We're going to go back to the old bed railing trick. Or bed, whatever you want to call it. We're going to cut these up. They'll be shoved down in the ground like that. I'll drill 2 holes or whatever it is, and bolt it on there like I had it last time. So I got to break this one off right here, which I probably can't do just something like this, because these are made pretty strong. Well, both they're made strong. Guess I was wrong, or I beat it around, because the other one broke off because I was beating it around. So we're going to use them 2 pieces. Like I said, what we're going to do, this will be sitting like that. Might not even have to cut a hole or drilling holes, might have holes. And that's going to be bolted onto there, so let's see if any of these holes line up. That'd be nice. It'd be a quick job, just cut the end off. Actually, it's the last hole and this hole, but I'm going to try to go above it. I'm going to take this hole and this hole and put an unbolt in it. And we're going to get this leg off or whatever, however we get it off. And try to find some nuts and bolts. Alright, I'll show you more in a minute. Okay, we got that done. Somewhat. They were different. I was saying something, but it was totally different. So what I had to do is drill a hole. Which ain't no problem. Then don't get worried if it's sticking up like that. I think you're seeing it. And you're thinking, oh man, it's got to be at the bottom. Remember, it swivels. You want it far enough away from where it's going to be so you can get in there and turn it on and off and hook it up. Alright, got it mostly in. Then you need the BFH. Big freaking hammer. The sludge. I actually don't need this, but 2 pound probably works because definitely, well, where you are depends. Right now our ground is so soft, you see I pushed it in. It's been flooding. I actually broke that bolt off, guys. I sheared that bolt. So now I'll go ahead and finish hitting them in. I'll look for that other piece and I'll fix it. Right there's the other piece. Sheared the other bolt off too, so it's something under the ground. So we gotta find them pieces. I got these, I've got one washer we gotta get. So we'll move it. Alright, I'll go pause you guys and we'll get some other tools. Okay, we got more hardware. I couldn't find the one washer. It's in the flower bed here. That's the only thing. Actually, in the 2 baby washers, but they are not going to hurt nothing being in a flower bed. That's in little teeny lock washers. Got it where I'm setting. I moved it a couple times. It was getting a little close to the flower here. So now I gotta loosen it up so I can adjust it so I can get the holes back. And then I just gotta retighten it up. It's always, if you don't have a nylon nut, it's always good to put a lock washer on it. You don't want it backing off. All it is like a washer that's heated up, and it's like a spring, and then it's got it's cut and bent. If you live in the U.S., you can go to your local tractor supply store and get these nuts and bolts by the pound. That's the way I would do it. Unless you got some manufacturer near you, it's even cheaper, but they're pretty cheap. They were running even grade 8. I don't know right now. It's been a little bit, and they always switch price. But grade 8, a pound was still under like $4, or not $4, sorry, $5. A grade 8 is if anybody don't know what that is, it's an axle bolt, and more or less it's like a hardened steel bolt. The next couple videos that I do today or whatever I do will need be no shirt on. And a lot, why I'm saying that is because there's a lot of haters out there. They call people hillbillies, rednecks, and I am a country folk, but when it's extremely hot, it's hot. And you don't see anybody saying anything about the girls in bikinis and stuff, or the men out on the beach that's got the 6-pack or whatever. They usually just say it about the people who are a little out of shape. That's why I say haters. So, I'm gonna snug that up. I'm gonna over tighten it. I really tightened it last time. And these are only grade 3 bolts. Lowest grade they make. That's why it sheared so quick. If that was a grade 8, it probably wouldn't have did that. But I go buy these in bulk, a whole bunch at one time, and never know what I'm going to use them for. So usually I get a grade 5 to a grade 3. Because get a pound of grade 8, the little ones you can get a lot, but the big ones, nope, because they're heavier. So, but we got this going on here. And there we go. That will stay. I'll zip tie it, but that will stay, see? Just right now it ain't no water pressure in it. That's why it's moving, guys. So let me put my tools back and I'll be right back. Okay, this video is about done. I don't know how long it was, but let me switch it so I can see what I'm doing. I can somewhat see you. Alright. There you go. Now, if I turn too far, it turns. This is. Trying to see what type. Here's what type of hose it was. It was 0G hose. They're junk. A family member was using it, and you can see where it's stuck up there. It's broke. It cracked and was leaking. And I was gonna put it on, try to tighten it up, and it broke right off. You can see where you can actually see, maybe, where I was pushing on it and twisted and it snapped right there. So I got to get another universal type of hose. All these hoses are, this one is collapsible hoses. Like a nylon shell on the outside, looks like. Hard nylon shell, which is pretty good. Then it's a rubber insert. See it? It stretches. So what I'll do is put a knot in this. Not a full knot, just something I can get it loose. Put that on there. I got these pieces that I can go in and get the other piece that we need. So that'd be the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't, thumbs down. Please subscribe, and bye till later.